Hello, my name is Josh Torres and I'm a professor, and today we're going to study the animal cell. And today I brought some animals. I brought Georgie the gorilla and Willie the wolf. Did you know that humans are animals too?
Hello, and I am Drew Flanagan, and I'm going to be discussing with you about the animal cell. The first thing I'm going to be discussing with you about is the cell membrane, which is this. Cell membrane is a thin covering that surrounds the cell. Now I'm going to discuss about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jello-like substance that contains all the compounds that make a cell a cell. Okay, now I'm going to be discussing with you the nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is the red ball, right there, a thin covering that surrounds the nucleus. The nuclear membrane controls the passage of materials into and out of the nucleus. It also gives the nucleus its shapes. This is the last one I'll be talking to you about is the nucleus. It's the yellow ball inside the nuclear membrane. A structure often found near the center of the cell. The nucleus is the boss of the cell. It controls all of the cell's activities. The nucleus is especially important during the reproduction. Okay, now I'll be talking to you about the chromosomes. Chromosomes are inside the nucleus, right there. The chromosomes in an animal cell carries the genetics of the cell.
Hi, I'm Zach Bellado, and I'm going to talk more about the animal cell. First, I'll start with the centrosomes. The centrosomes are located above the cell membrane, and they produce microtubules. For each centrosome, the microtubules turn into spindles. The lysosomes are the cell's garbage disposal system. Also known as the Dewdley complex, these are piles of flattened sats layered one above the other. It's located near the cell nucleus and
Hi, I'm Joshua Torres, and right now I'm going to start off talking about the animal cell. That's the vacuole right there. And the vacuole is a liquid-filled space that stores food and waste. Some vacuoles also store extra water. They pump extra water in and out of the cell. Now I'm going to be talking about the mitochondria. The mitochondria is a rod-shaped like figure that is sometimes called the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria store and release energy the cell needs to carry out of the life functions. Now I'm going to be talking about these ribosomes right there. And those ribosomes are tiny grain-like structures that make and store protein. Most ribosomes are found on the endoplasmic reticulum. Some, however, move freely within the cytoplasm. Finally, I'm going to start talking about the endoplasmic reticulum. The white one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the blue is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and they're both next to the nucleus. And they are a network of channels, and the endoplasmic reticulum is like a series of roadways. They are used for moving materials within the cell. this concludes our show on our animal cell project. And I'd like to first thank Georgie the gorilla and Willie the wolf. Now this concludes our video on the animal cell. We hope this was an educational video for the class. Hello, my name is Josh Burbank. My name is Josh Torres, and I'm a professor. And today we're going to study the cell, the animal cell. Hello, my name is Josh Torres, and I'm a professor, and we're going to study the basics of the animal cell. Today I brought some fellow friends, Georgie the
Now I'm going to talk about the their zones. They're the cell's garbage disposal system. They degrade the products of the interjection.
You suck. You have it. What are you trying to say?
You can't get it down.
What are you trying to say next? I'm going to come and...
And this concludes our animal cell project. And I'd like to thank Georgie the gorilla and Willie the wolf. I hope you enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed making it. I hope this was educational too.